Over my number one exercise to improve knee extension after a total knee replacement. Before we get started though, I got this idea from the number one man himself, Tony Meritato, so I wanted to give him a shout out. Check out his YouTube channel. I believe it's called Total Therapy Solutions. I've been using this exercise for the last couple of months, been seeing some great results with it, and it really is my go-to exercise now for improving knee extension on pretty much anybody after a knee surgery, but it works particularly well for people after a total knee replacement. The first step to this exercise is to anchor a closed loop fitness band, or any other thick fitness band for that matter will work, to the walker in this manner here. So this is not so much a stretch as it is a position. Just using the band tied now to the walker, just letting your leg rest and spending 5 to 10 minutes in this position will give you a really good stretch. And then what's really great about this position is it allows you to get some autogenic and reciprocal inhibition stretching by doing some hamstring contractions, straight leg raises, ankle pumps, or even quad sets to maximize terminal knee extension. You can just play in this position for 5 to 10 minutes, 3 to 4 times per day to improve